you're in the middle of Joburg. How much sun do you actually get from this?
South Africa is blessed with an abundance of solar resources.
Yeah.
Solar PV first really took off in Europe, and even in some of our worst solar resource areas in South Africa, like Durban or East London, you're still getting more than double than what you get in Europe. The cost is fantastic, the returns are great, and it's completely bankable. The sun's going to get up tomorrow no matter what.
Yes, of course. We believe in doing well by doing good. Did you know that South Africa has 73% sunlight hours during the day? To make use of this staggering statistic and to reduce our carbon footprint, we have decided to put the vast roof spaces of shopping centers to good use and install solar plants at the retail investments of the Momentum Direct Property Fund. In 2020, we embarked on a solar partnership journey with Terra Firma Solutions, which is a Cape Town-based company with global interests. By joining of hands and through our investment, we have completed 7 solar plant installation projects at 7 of our retail properties.